Guys, today we're going to make a beautiful, super taste sandwich. Always something different, but very cool and al bacio. I'm going to make a sandwich with beef liver. Ask your butcher. I'm gonna use some raw broccoli, a little touch of rocket, sauerkraut. I put this Dijon Mustard here. I'm gonna prepare some a little sauce, and I'm gonna use the Brie, the cheese, and balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. It's very easy and quickly and super taste. I show you. We're gonna cut some liver, very thin, you know, something like this, because it's gonna cook super fast. Okay, very thin, and strips like this. Okay, the pan is already on. Oil, not a lot, a little touch of butter. Start cooking. We're going in with the liver. Little touch of salt, pepper, when it's almost done, 2 minutes, take some balsamic vinegar, add some inside, okay? Put in the plate. Now clean this pan, because we're gonna use again. This is 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I add a little touch of lemon, a little touch of water, and mix very well. You can use any bread you want, but I think it's working very good with this bread. Take your Brie and cut it, put on the bottom. On this side already you can put some the sauce, a little touch of the sauce here as well. Take your liver. This is amazing, this sandwich, guys. Okay, that raw broccoli, nice and crunchy. Sauerkraut, little touch of rocket, again the sauce, press very well. Now 2 seconds the pan gonna be hot. Pan hot, a touch of olive oil, couple pieces of butter, sandwich inside, and press. Leave it to cook at least couple minutes per side. Now flip another couple pieces of butter, and when it's the same from other side, the job is done, guys. Okay, it's absolutely wow. And now we're gonna cut it. Okay, it's absolutely wow. Beef liver sandwich with raw broccoli and Brie is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.